Hello to everyone. Let's study about a new topic which is integration of rational fractions. So I have here integral of x cubed plus 2 over x cubed minus x dx. So this topic is involving a, b, and c. It depends on the denominator. Okay, let us solve this one. Okay, so in this case, we can divide x cubed plus 2 divide by x cubed minus x. Okay? So, the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. So, x cubed divided by x cubed, that will be 1. Okay? And then multiply x cubed times 1, that will be x cubed. Then, minus, right? Okay, minus. 1 times x, that will be x. Okay? The rule in division is you have to change the sign of the product. So, this will be negative and this will be positive. Okay, x cubed will be crossed out. So, I have now bring down x and then bring down plus 2. Okay? We cannot divide anymore because this is lower than the divisor. So, I have here, so I have 1 plus this one. X plus 2 over the divisor. So, this will be x cubed minus x. Okay? So, this will be need to integrate. Okay, we cannot integrate straight away. So, that's why we will use rational fractions. Okay? So, how we do this one? So, this will be x plus 2 over x cubed minus x is equal to, so let us factor this one. How many variable x? So, this will be first x will be, then circle brackets, x squared minus 1. Okay, if you will try to check this one, x times x squared, that will be x cubed. X times negative 1, that will be negative x. And we know that this is difference of two squares. We can factor out this one. So, this will be circle brackets x plus 1 and then x minus 1. So, therefore, we have a, then this will be over x, then plus b, second, circle brackets x plus 1, then plus c, over circle brackets x minus 1. Okay, that's why I told you before that it depends on the denominator. So, I have a, b, and c. Okay, so that's the factors of the denominator. So, next will be, I will multiply this one both sides by the LCD. So, this will be x times x plus 1, then x minus 1. Or if we multiply this 3, this will come up with x cubed minus x. So, meaning I have to multiply both sides. So, I'll just multiply in here. So, this will be x times circle brackets x plus 1, then x minus 1. Okay? So, meaning, if we multiply this one, this will come up with x cubed minus x. So, this will be crossed out. Then, I have now, for the at the left side will be x plus 2 is equal to, so this will be crossed out. So, I have now a, then x plus 1, then x minus 1. Then, plus this one. So, I have now b, then x, this will be crossed out, so this will be left, so x minus 1. Then plus c, this will be crossed out, so you have now c times x times x plus 1. Okay? Okay, so when x equals 0, so this will be 0 plus 2 is equal to a. 0 plus 1, then 0 minus 1, then plus b times 0, then 0 minus 1, plus c times 0, circle bracket 0 plus 1. Okay, so this will be a 0 plus 1, that is 1. 0 minus 1, that will be negative 1. Then plus b times 0. 0 minus 1, that is negative 1. Plus c times 0. Then 0 plus 1, that is 1. So this is 2. 2 negative a, right? Then plus 0 times negative 1, that will be b times 0. This one, 0 times 1, that is c times 0. So meaning I have now 2 is equals to negative a. Then this will be 0, 0. So divide both sides by negative 1, negative 1. So a negative will be crossed out. So I have now a is equals to negative 2. So I'll just write in here, a is equals to negative 2. Okay? So I will erase. Okay, next will be, we are done with x. Then this one, x plus 1. Because this will be equal to 0. That's why I assume that x equals 0 because of these factors and equate to 0. So next will be x plus 1 is equal to 0. So transpose positive 1 to the right, that will be negative 1. So when x equals to negative 1, so this will be negative 1 plus 2 is equal to a. Circle brackets, negative 1 plus 1, negative 1 minus 1, then plus b times negative 1. Circle brackets, negative 1 minus 1, then plus c, negative 1 plus 1. Okay? So negative 1 plus 2, that is positive 1, is equal to a. Negative 1 plus 1, that will be 0. Negative 1, that will be negative 2. Then plus b, negative 1, that will be negative 2. Then plus c, negative 1 plus 1, that will be 0. So this will be 1. So a, 0 times negative 2, that will be 0. Plus b, negative 1 times negative 2, that is positive 2. Plus c, negative 1 times 0, that is 0. So this is 1. So this will be 0. Then this will be 0. So I have now 2b. So divide by 2 both sides in order to solve the value of b. So b equals 1 over 2. So b equals 1 over 2. Okay? Next will be this one. The last will be x minus 1 equals 0. X minus 1 equals 0. So transpose negative 1 to the right. That will be positive 1. So I will erase for the next, for letter C. Okay? So this is positive 1. So positive 1, 1 plus 2 is equal to A. Circle brackets, 1 plus 1. Then positive 1 minus 1 plus B times 1. 1 minus 1. Then plus C. 1 plus 1. Okay? So this will be 3. A will be 2. 1 minus 1, that will be 0. Plus B times 1, 0. Plus C times 1, 2. Okay? This will be 3 is equals to A. This will be 0. Plus B, 1 times 0, that will be 0. Then plus C, 1 times 2, that is 2. Okay, so that will be 0, cross out. So 3 is equals to 2c. Solving for c, divide by 2 both sides. So c is equal to 3 over 2. So I have now c is equals to 3 over 2. Okay, so I will move. I will erase this one. So this will be 1 plus a is negative 2. So this will be negative 2, right? So a is negative 2. So this will be negative 2 over x. Okay? Then, plus b. b is 1 half. 1 half. And then, sorry, should be 1 in here. 1 over 2, then x plus 1. Circle brackets, x plus 1. Then c. Then c is 3 halves. 3 over 2 over circle brackets x minus 1. Then this will be, I will use square brackets. Then this is dx. Then integrate. Okay, so this will be integral of, I will integrate individually. So this will be dx times 1. That will be dx. Minus. Next, this is 1. So this will be, 2 will be outside of the integration symbol. Then this will be dx over x. Then what's the next? This one. The third one. So this will be plus 1 over 2 integral of dx over circle brackets x plus 1. Then plus the last 3 over 2 integral of dx over circle brackets x minus 1. Okay, so integrate integral of dx, that will be x. Note that dx over dx, du, integral of du over u, that will be ln absolute u. Okay? So this will be minus 2 ln x. Okay? Absolute. So I'll just write absolute. ln absolute x. Then plus u in here. U will be x plus 1. Then du dx. Then that will be 0, right? Okay. So du equals dx. So dx is du. So du over u. So this is ln u. Okay. So this is ln. This will be 1 half ln absolute x plus 1. Then plus 3 over 2. The same because this is 1. So we'll check. U will be x minus 1. Du will be dx. Then add 0. So meaning this is integral of dx is du. Then x minus 1 is u. So meaning this is ln u. Okay? So therefore this is 3 over 2 ln absolute x minus 1. Then plus c. Okay? So this is now my final answer. That's all. Thanks for watching.